there, so you have pot, you have plate, you have all type of something where wash out the people house. No, come on, Prime Minister. Come on, man. Ernisha Foster this morning. Come on. Look at St. Thomas this morning and the new bridge you gave to us for save our family. Look at us this morning. Bed wet up, dresser wet up, fridge mash up, TV
Welcome
done.
back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know see one and only Atafa the Press. Well, my wisdom warriors, some place in Jamaica don't look good at all because guess what? The National Environment and Planning Agency is urging the public to exercise extreme caution in areas close to swamps, rivers, gullies, and other known crocodile habitats, as the animal is likely to be displaced following the heavy rains caused by Hurricane Beryl. Persons are also advised to avoid bathing in or near these areas, as crocodiles are likely to move with floodwaters and may be found in locations outside of their original habitat. So, me know say a lot of Jamaican people don't like to take telling. But you need to listen. You need to listen. The NEPA is urging all Jamaicans to be on the lookout for crocodiles. Listen, crocodiles can move across Jamaica during burial. So, you know, listen, because no for you don't like listen. All who like figure river, go cook and do no video, you know, stop doing that for now. Because the people them are urging on here, on get warning. The NEPA is urging everybody. Don't go be in no bushes. Don't go close to no river or no gully. Take telling. Alright? This is a warning. Anyway, taking this. The National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited, through its philanthropic arm NCB Foundation, has announced the launch of a 300 million disaster relief fund to support those affected by Hurricane Beryl. NCB says the foundation, working with other approved charitable organizations, will provide support to individuals and communities impacted by the Category 4 hurricane. So my wisdom warriors, wanna see what go on? So right now they get 300 million. Don't forget the 4 million what them get. No, they get 300 million, my wisdom warriors. Because we have to keep an eye upon this money. Remember in the last video, me showing Andrew Holness is talking about transparency. How am I going to be transparent throughout all of this? So let we see if he really are going to be transparent with them money here. I don't believe Andrew Holness are going to be transparent with them your money, my wisdom warriors. Them a get money, you know. You see, they get 300 million from NCB. And I'm saying that, my wisdom warriors, the people them vex with NCB right now because they must say from when their money missing no, they can't get back their money. And that miss the people them a comment underneath it. The people them say how them can't get back their money from 2022, from 2023, where their money there. Where the money there, the people them ask about that right now, because when I get the people them real mad right now, NCB. You understand me? Anyway, my wisdom warriors, 300 million, we need to keep an eye on this. We need to, because Andrew Holness, him love money bad. Him love money bad, him and Nigel Clark. You understand me? So we have to keep an eye upon them. As me talk about Nigel Clark, him come out, hear what him have to say. Nigel Clark says the government will have to draw on the resources available in at least 2 financial instruments put in place for emergency response and recovery costs of natural disasters. These are the Contingency Fund and the Natural Disaster Fund. totaling $4.5 billion. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Hey, I hope you not listen good enough. $4.5 billion. He says the government might also have to access the next layer of protection, which consists of the contingent credit claim with the Inter-American Development Bank. Clark says he has initiated the process for this access. So now hear that, my wisdom warriors. 300 million then get already. Now them are release 4.5 billion, and don't forget the how much million US. I think it was 4 million US from America. Don't forget that, my wisdom warriors. Do not forget that. So see, so whole heap of money are coming. So Jamaica feel nice now, you know. Jamaica feel nice. So Andrew Holness, remember say, you know, you are the same one will come out, you know, and talk about transparency. So make me see if you are going to be transparent in this year. Me want to see that. Me want to see that, my wisdom warriors. Because I know so non-transparent now go in this. Non-transparent. We want to see how the money are go. Because on the same one we say on our release this and release that, and when you look, half of the money gone. Remember say, you know, 1.7 trillion gone, you know. Remember say over 700 billion gone, you know. And no can give account for that, you know. And when opposition talk about it, you know, you get vexed and a skin up on the face, you know. Like you think that this is some joke thing. Jamaica could have nice, you know, my wisdom warriors, you know. Jamaica could have nice, just because these corrupt politicians make us a Jamaican a suffer so. True, they corrupt. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what to think about this. Anyway, hear this. Right now, my wisdom warriors, the people them are St. Thomas upset and angry. Right now, them are call upon the Prime Minister to come and attend to them, because Wagwan up there so them not like it, none at all. And nobody no come and say nothing to them. Nobody, my wisdom warriors. So I want to not take in this video and then we elaborate on it.
Prime Minister, may I ask you to take a visit in St. Thomas? Over more than 20 had home under flood. Look at the new drain. This drain is not built since not even here. This drain, look on the drain. Too little something to hold water, cannot carry the water. If this rain or flood where we didn't have come in a midnight, we have thousands of family dead in St. Thomas this morning. Every house where you sit around on the back part, there's a floor. See, look out there, so. You have pot, you have plate, you have all type of something where wash out the people house. No, come on, Prime Minister. Come on, man. Ernisha faster this morning. Come on. Look at St. Thomas this morning and the new bridge you gave to us for save our family. Look at us this morning. Bed wet up, dresser wet up, fridge mash up, TV done. What we supposed to sleep on tonight? What we're supposed to put our children on tonight? Come on, man. Somebody need to come to St. Thomas to talk to St. Thomas people. It is not right. We can't live this way. Come on, we are asking for some assistance in St. Thomas. We need some serious assistance in St. Thomas. This bridge, I beg you want to help over here, sir. Look over here, sir, again, sir. Look there, sit there. So our fridge there, out of one house that wash come straight out there, sir. That's a fridge. Come out of a family house, them not have a fridge anymore to comfort them children. Look by here, sir. Look at what they build and leave for us in St. Thomas. This is what the work where they give us in Spring Park, St. Thomas. Look at it. This is a new structure don't build not even 6 months good. And look at the structure, look at the life that we are facing in St. Thomas, and look how we are living in St. Thomas. Come on, man, we are people. We put you where you is, man. Do something for we. See with this man and send somebody. Come see with this man and we need badly assistance. Look over there, so. See me blender here. It gone out of my house. Me not have no more. Me not have a bed for sleep on later. Me put it in now for sleep. We need to come here, come assist we need some serious assistance. This is slackness. Prime Minister.
So my wisdom warriors, see it though. This are in a feed them place, you know, my wisdom warriors. Said Thomas a feed them place, you know. You understand me? I don't hear what the lady say. Wanna hear what the lady say. Nobody not attend to them. Nobody not attend to them. And she's calling on the Prime Minister to come and attend to them. You understand? Wanna hear? Wanna hear? I really slackness, you know. That's what the lady say. I really slackness. It is not right. Every infrastructure want to build up, it mash up. It mash up. That means it just build and it a mash up. You know, I just don't understand, no. I just don't understand, no. See, she all show on the fridge and everything. See, here the lady I tell you, no. She not on no bed. Jano. The time where you're in a helicopter, go round, like you Miss World in a helicopter and your owness. You should end up on the ground. You should end up on the ground and walk. A real leader walk. They not take no helicopter. A walk. You don't want to nasty up your clocks? That's the problem. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Me leave the rest for you. Wanna just stamp up the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, guys, you can reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-1997. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. One love.